Alright guys, so this is the bank clerk now. I'm show you how easy the bank clerk is. You see me? So I'm going to the bank clerk, choose your market. You see me? And you have the growth rate. So the higher the growth rate is, the more aggressive it is in the market. The easier you get knockout. You see me? You have the knockout history as well. So this is the way I look on to see how the market will move and how you can place a trade then based on tactics. So tactics right here, so guys, I lock it up and turn it back. Now I'm going to put it at 4. So for instance, if you set a tactics at 4, when you execute a trade, it will go exit after 4 ticks, basically. You see me? So same thing as take profit. You see me? Boom, return on a reinvestment. So for instance, you place a trade and you get $1 out of that trade, that $1 they are going at the next trade because they turn on the reinvestment profit. You see me? And that will help you grow your account faster. Secure profit. Common sense will tell you the amount of money you choose to make. It will make you know when you reach the amount. Let's say if you want to make $5, it will make you know. You see me? The auto trade is very simple as well, guys. So for instance, you set the auto trade and you say, yo, alright, so you just place on trade there because we set it at 2. Normally, me set it at 4. So after 4 knockouts, it plays an auto trade. So I'm showing you what is knockout. You're gonna put it on I put it on aggressive one. I put it on aggressive one. The reason is because when I do a video, I don't want it to take too long. You see me? So knockout is basically, yes, in time it pass the tactics but still knockout before it finish all of the run. That's called a knockout. So each growth rate have a amount of numbers run to. So growth rate 1 run to 250 ticks. Growth rate 2, 135. Growth rate 3 run to 90 ticks. Same for 4, growth rate 4, and 5% growth rate, it run to 55. You see me? See, if it knock out before it finish run fully, it about to count as a knockout. So it will place an auto trade there and win same way. Look, that's how easy you can make money from bank clerk, guys. But I'm going to show you. What me that normally do. And you see what I'm showing you, when you turn on reinvestment, any profit you want to make from the last trade, it will go in at the next trade. So it will apply to the next trade automatically. You see me? So instead of you have to place a manual trade, guys, turn on the tactics. You know, you see if you lock off the tactics and you place a trade, it will just stay in that market. It now go exit automatically. You see me? And that's the way you don't want, because you're not sure when it will get a knockout. You see me? Say you set it for tactics. Booms. Depending on how the market will move, I will just get a knockout. I will still win. See it? Look. See it? Yeah. Very, very easy. So you have to just be careful with the knockout right here, sir. And place a trade. The auto trade now, you turn it on and you set a tactics and it will automatically place a trade. See there? What it do, you know, it check the knockouts them even if the auto trade is off. So more time you turn it on based on how it run in the knockout history. As you turn it on, it will maybe see a opportunity to place an auto trade and you place it. You see it and we just win. It's very easy, guys. And the more your profit is, the more your stake is, the more you will make. And the less trades you will take. Because you don't want to play so much trades, guys. The more you play trades, the more you exposing yourself in the market. And that I want to want. You see me? Look, man, I show you. So it will wait on one more knockout. After the one more knockout, it will place a trade automatically and exit it because I turn on the tactics. Look, see there? Exit it. See it? Yeah. It's very, very easy, guys. Very, very easy. You see me? And then the next the profit we make off of the last trade, it go in at the next stake. That's why it moved from $10 to $11.35. See it? Yeah. I love this strategy, guys. This strategy is just Like it give free money. You see me? No jokes. Yeah. See it? It'll wait on 2 more knockouts after the 2 more knockouts. And as me tell you that, guys, the knockout history just show you how the market a move. You see it? So if you realize say most of the runs them it under the tactics, that means say the market aggressive and you will easily get losses. You see me? And we are use growth rate 4% right now, and that aggressive, but we still a win. Here's the praise, still a win. See there? Still a win. And make it so easy for you guys. And you can literally just turn on the auto trade, guys, and make it just run. Just make it just run. But with a suggestion to use growth rate 1% to 3%. You see me? Until like late in the night and them time, then you can risk it with the 4% and 5%. You see me? Because this strategy work better when market is more smoother. You see me? Yeah. See it? That I got to trade because the knockout come. See there? I will not get no losses all now. You see me? No losses we not get. I put up here. You see me? Very, very easy, man. You can all place manual trades too. Look. You see, pray. So we reach a $5 already. So when you reach a $5 where you set the secure profit, it will show you say you reach it. You see me? Yeah. Very, very easy, guys. This is how the bank clerk work, guys. Very, very easy. You see it? These are all of the markets you can use. You see me? Yeah. See there? That 14 trades. We could have made this one money in a one trade. You see me? Could have make it in a one trade. That's why I tell you say, yo, the more you just need the capital, guys. The more you raise up on the capital, the less trades you take, but the more money you make. You see it? And now up $70. You see me? GoNext is very easy too, guys. Very, very easy. I make a video showing how the GoNext work, but it's very easy. It's an over and under strategy. You see me? So the bank clerk is an accumulator strategy. The GoNext is an over and under strategy. But it only trades, the GoNext only trades over 0 and under 9. If you want to trade the whole digit over and under, use BMF. Because it's the same thing, but one thing, it trades everything. From 0 to 9. You see me? Yeah. Guys, me and me could not make free money. Remember, the bot is free. Just go up on the site, sign up, and connect on the deriv, and just start trade. You see me? Watch your videos, then learn how the bot work. You see me? And for the ones that were kind of new to it and everything, and kind of just not have the patience to wait and learn and think, TradeX is a good strategy for you. Because most of the execution buttons are auto. You see me? Just turn on auto, set on the stake high, and take about 5 trades and pause 1 hour and go back. You see me? Depending on how much you want to make a day. You see it? Yeah. I'm out.